In this video, we're going to take a look at Sage 300 enabled with the Orchid Extender module that allows us to design very specific business rules to the behavior of pretty much any screen in Sage 300. The use case in this situation is that the Sage 300 system is integrated with the WMS solution from HighJump, and that solution needs to get the location out of which product ships and the ship via and the expected ship date from the order header, even though on the detail lines of an order in Sage 300, I can support different locations on different lines on the sales orders. So in order to make the integration with the WMS solution work properly, we instituted this split solution, which is not native to Sage 300. It will look at any combination of expected ship date, ship via, and location out of which the product ships, and then automatically copy every field from the order header and detail lines over to child orders based on any unique combination of ship date, ship via, and from location on the detail lines. Over on the right, we can see that there is no parent order currently because we haven't split any orders yet. But this window on the right, this panel, we should expect that after our splitting is finished, we will be able to navigate between parent and child orders that result from the combinations that we create. So let's just make some modifications here and indicate that our first row maybe will ship from location 4. We are going to push out the expected ship date of the second line to the following week. And maybe what we'll do is we're going to say that on the fourth line, we are going to choose a different type of shipping carrier, and perhaps it will go out with international air. So we should expect that we have at least one, and then a unique ship to expected ship date here, so second order. Although the location from and ship dates are the same on these last two rows, the ship vias are different. So that should result in a unique fourth order total. So here I might include a description that I want copied automatically to all my target orders, and then perhaps a reference code. So the first thing we need to do is just make sure that the current parent order gets committed to the system. What we want to pay attention to is the quantity ordered here, because the parent order that actually gets replaced by multiple child orders will get completely canceled, and its quantities ordered will go back to 0. So if we use the split button now, right, that just launched an extender script that went through and created multiple orders for us. So it's letting us know that orders 80, 81, 82, and 83 have been created. So if we start to take a look at those, we should expect one line per order because of the uniqueness. So here we see it did copy our description and our reference. We can see over here on the right that we have the 3 other siblings and the parent order available to us. If I wanted to open one of the sibling orders, I can just double click on that order number over on the right, and a second order entry screen will come up. And then if I happen to be on that order, I want to go back to the parent order, I could double click on the parent order, and then that parent order will open up. So 3 different order screens, the parent order showing me all of its children, and notice that its quantities ordered have been zeroed out. And then if I just go back, this is one of the sibling orders, and then back to the sibling order that I started with. So that's the order splitting solution. It will support copying all of the optional field values from the parent order down to the children. It will support copying line comments and line optional fields from the parent order over to the child order. Thank you.